Hi and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I'd like to show you something quite special, but first a little bit of a backstory. On the 3rd of July 1999, Rundle Mall in the beautiful city of Adelaide welcomed some new residents, a group of 4 life-size bronze pigs, and today I'd like to introduce you to them. So firstly I'd like to introduce Oliver. Now Oliver's busy foraging for scraps in the rubbish bin, looking pretty cool. And I'll move over this side at the moment and we'll see a beautiful little pig called Augusta. And Augusta is just happily standing there greeting passers-by. We come over this side, we'll see Horatio. He's just having a bit of a sit down. And then finally, last but not least, we have Truffles. And Truffles is quite happily sniffing around. As you can see, there's Truffles' name. Where are we? On the wrong side. There we are. Horatio. This is Oliver. And then, as I said, over this side, just watching everything, taking it all in, is Augusta. How cool are they? Well, this wonderful piece of artwork was actually created by a lady named Marguerite Dericourt. And she says she actually got the inspiration for this artwork from Pietro Tacca's 1612 fountain in Florence, Italy, which features a bronze boar. So there you go. It's got a bit of a connection with Florence and Italy. I'll just go for one more lap around. There's Truffles, Horatio, Oliver, and little Augusta. So there you have it, the Rundle Mall pigs, bringing happiness and joy to everybody that comes to the Rundle Mall. Just another beautiful artwork installation in the beautiful Rundle Mall in Adelaide, South Australia. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to share and please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy travels.